Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve cashback rewards with PNC Cash Rewards, beginner guide step by step clearly. To improve cashback rewards with PNC Cash Rewards, start by understanding the card's features. Visit the official PNC website to familiarize yourself with the PNC Cash Rewards credit card. Review the cashback categories offered, which typically include groceries, gas, and dining. Determine the current cashback rates for each category as this can influence your spending decisions. Make sure to use your card for regular purchases in the highest cashback categories. Consider setting up automatic payments for recurring bills to ensure you're maximizing rewards. Track your monthly spending to identify patterns and areas where you can shift purchases to earn more cashback. Utilize the PNC mobile app to monitor your rewards and spending. Take advantage of any promotional offers for increased cashback during specific periods. If applicable, consider referring friends or family to the PNC Cash Rewards program for additional bonuses. Regularly review your account statements to ensure you're receiving the correct amount of cashback. Stay informed about any changes in cashback categories or rates by checking the PNC website periodically. Plan your larger purchases around the categories with higher cashback rates for maximum benefit. Consider integrating your PNC Cash Rewards card into your budgeting strategy. Ensure you pay off your balance each month to avoid interest charges, which can erode your cashback rewards. Review your overall financial goals and adjust your cashback strategy as necessary. By following these steps, you can effectively maximize your cashback rewards with PNC Cash Rewards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.